In this video, we will discuss a situation: which car should pass first in T-junction? Which car has the right of way? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, The Exam Coach. Today we have gotten an interesting scenario to discuss, the T-junction. Specifically, we will be answering the question which car should have the right of way. So buckle up and let's dive into this important aspect of driving. So in this video, you see an orange car and a green car. A green car has a stop sign. So in this situation, which car must give way? Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer as per traffic rule is that green car will wait until the orange car pass. Green car is being the one with the stop sign must wait until it's safe for them to proceed. Let's repeat one more time. Remember, road safety is everyone's responsibility, and understanding the right of way rules is a crucial part of that. If you find this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel, The Exam Coach, for more education content on driving and other important topics. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, drive safe out there.